Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country chic style cottage decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country chic cottage decor blends rustic charm with a touch of elegance, creating a warm, inviting, and stylish space. Here are some tips to achieve this look. Decorative accents, vintage wines, incorporate antique mirrors, picture frames, and heirloom style vases. Farmhouse elements, add mason jars, galvanized metal buckets, and wicker baskets. Florals, display fresh or dried flowers in pitchers, vases, or hanging wreaths. Small floral patterns on fabrics also fit perfectly. Signs and artwork. Use wooden signs with inspirational quotes or vintage botanical prints. Lighting. Soft, warm lighting. Use table lamps with linen shades or candeliers with a distressed finish. Lanterns and candles. Add lantern style lights or clusters of candles for a cozy glow. Kitchen ideas. Open shelving. Showcase rustic dinnerware, glass jars, and copper pots. Farmhouse sink. A white apron sink pairs beautifully with wood or stone countertops. Decorative storage. Use wooden crates or oven baskets for produce or towels. Flooring. Wooden floors. Go for white planks or painted wood floors. Rugs. Add small area rugs or braided rugs in muted patterns for a cozy touch. Start with the basics. Neutral walls. Use soft, muted tones for your walls like green, belly gray, or shades gray. These serve as a calm, timeless backdrop. Wooden details. Incorporate wooden beams, sheet lamp, or paneling for the rustic charm. Mix old and new. Repurpose vintage finds. Look for vintage furniture and accessories at thrift stores or flower markets. A distressed sideboard or antique mirror adds character. Balance modern comforts. Pair antique pieces with cozy, functional furniture like a modern sofa with soft seat covers. Their textures, cozy fabrics, Natural rugs use jute or seashell rugs to bring in organic texture. Wicker and rattan add furniture or accessories in these materials for a casual cottage vibe. Use small touches to create ambience. Flowers everywhere. Display fresh blooms in mismatched vases or animal jugs. For low maintenance, dried lavender or cotton stems also work well. Candles and lanterns. Use this to create cozy lighting, especially in the evenings. Decorative dishes. Display vintage china, especially floral patterns, on open shelves or in glass front cabinets. Add greenery. Use potted plants, herb planters, or hanging greenery like ivy or ferns to liven up the space. Keep it personal. Display family albums, antique picture frames, or hand-me-down decor pieces to make the space feel unique. Practice functional charm. Farmhouse tables offer a sturdy, natural wood or whitest dining table with mismatched chairs for an eclectic, lived-in look. Bench seating. Add a bench with cushions for casual dining or enjoy sitting. Incorporate architectural details, ground molding and trim. Frame windows, doors or ceilings with simple, traditional molding for a polished finish. Play with patterns, floral prints. Use floral patterns on curtains, throw pillows or wallpaper for a classic country look. Checks and stripes. Add gingham or ticking stripe patterns for a farmhouse-inspired touch. Layered patterns. Mix florals, stripes, and solids in complementary pastel or neutral tones for depth. Focus on windows. Sheer curtains allow natural light to flood the room with light, airy curtains. Wicker and rattan. Add furniture or accessories in these materials for a casual cottage vibe.